Welcome to the EdbMails IMAP to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration software lets you easily migrate IMAP mailboxes to Office 365. Whether you're migrating from Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho, Zimbra, Icewarp, cPanel, GoDaddy, Rackspace, or any other IMAP server, EdbMails guarantees a secure and seamless migration. It preserves your emails, folder structure, attachments, and metadata while ensuring complete data integrity and compatibility with Office 365. EdbMails simplifies the IMAP to Office 365 migration process with an intuitive interface and advanced features. Benefit from high-speed concurrent migrations, automatic mailbox creation on target Office 365, precise automatic mailbox mapping, and incremental migration and more. Its advanced filtering options allow you to transfer only the data you need, ensuring an efficient and stress-free migration experience. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process for migrating IMAP mailboxes to Office 365 using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the IMAP migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Click the Select Host Name button. Select the appropriate host name for your source IMAP server. Click Continue. Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login. Select the mailboxes or folders you want to migrate from the source IMAP server. Now, click the IMAP to Office 365 button to connect with your target Office 365 server. Connect to Office 365 target server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free IMAP to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.